let's create some new files. So to create a new file, I'm going to change directory into mydir, just because it's going to be quicker to write commands. And touch is going to create files. So if you just want to create a file without like in one of the previous videos, I showed you how to type nano and then the name of the file, and if the file didn't exist, it would open it and create a new one. But if you just want to stay in terminal and don't want to go into a text editor, you just want to create files, you'd use touch followed by the file name. So touch, and we're going to create main.cpp. So in the previous command, let me clear this there. So in the previous command, we learned how to use the asterisk. So if I were to remove this would remove everything that has the CPP extension. Let's say I actually wanted to remove everything but leave the directory intact. We would type this. So let's get out of this directory, and I'll show you how it looks from the outside. So if I wanted to remove everything but mydir, but leave mydir existing, it would be written like this. And if I run that and then run ls on mydir, we see it is empty. It doesn't have anything in it. So now we can remove mydir. Oh, right, sorry. rm-rf mydir. So you need to use the -rf to remove a directory. And there, we're back exactly where we started. So to recap on a few commands here, and I'm just going to type them out. CP is copy. The first argument takes is the file, and the second argument it takes is where you're putting it and what file name. So that's how to copy files. How to remove files, you just type rm and then the file name. Now let's say this is in a directory. You can still remove it. You just type the position of the file. Then if you want to remove all file.anythings, you do this. If you want to remove all text files, you do this. If you want to remove every file from a directory, you just do this. It's going to remove everything from that directory and leave the directory. If you want to remove the directory as well as everything in it, you would run this command. And this is remove rf and then the directory name. Now if you want to move a file, it's just like copy, except it doesn't leave a copy where it started. So file name and then where you're copying it to. Let's say you just want to copy it to the same directory with a different name. You would do this. And we also learned the touch command. So this, you can create files and stay in terminal. So that's a neat command. So thanks for watching. What I want you guys to do before you watch the next video, I want you guys to get used to moving around in terminal. So use the commands that we've learned up to this point, excluding the package commands. Just use ls and cd and move around the file system and go explore a bit. Don't change permissions on any files you're not aware of, and don't change the ownership of them. So really, I'd recommend staying in the home directory at this point. Just create some directories and move around in them, create files, move files, copy files, and get used to using terminal in this way. It's going to make future videos a lot easier because I'm not going to go as slowly on them, and so I want you guys to be able to follow. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.